Hi there! In this video, we'll show you how to install your narrow pull-out cabinet organizer step by step. Follow these steps to install it perfectly in your cabinet. Let's get started. Use a tape measure to measure the width and height of the cabinet interior to confirm that the installation space is suitable. Mark the slide's installation position on the cabinet side. Use a screwdriver or electric drill to fix the slides to the side of the cabinet. Connect the frame to the slides at the specific position and fix the frame to the slides with screws. Mark the installation position of the connector on the cabinet door and use screws to fix the cabinet door and the connector. Use adjustable screws to assemble the frame and connector. 2 screws are on the outside and 1 screw is on the inside. The door can be fine-tuned left and right by adjusting the 2 screws on the outside and 1 screw on the inside. Each basket is equipped with a hook. Simply hang the hook in the hole of the frame and the position can be adjusted up and down freely. After installation, you can efficiently store all kinds of condiments and make the kitchen cabinet tidier. Install it on the side of the cabinet that is more convenient for use. Simply switch the rail to the other side and you can switch freely. Choose Vadania, just for a higher quality kitchen experience. Visit our official website to get more installation tutorials and product information.